Hello guys, we will eat something and nothing. We will eat this. I will light fireworks soon on top of the building, but let's go. I will eat half. Dito dito. That's my first time, bro. I will show the fireworks if we are in the building now. Bye bye guys. Hello guys, we are in top of the building now. I got one and tomorrow there's more fireworks. I would like this one cause this is for kids and this is from Philippines. But why is look just like that? Don't do it. Only 8 and don't care about you saying in the comments. Nothing. And let's go now. Okay, first one. Oh my god, we have 4. This is look like this. Okay, let's go now. Or okay, I will stop videoing if I will show you if I light it now. I will open the video again. I will skip it. Bye bye guys. Guys. Happy New Year guys. Bye bye guys. Like and subscribe. Bye bye now. But it's good.